This is the MXTOVEL cordless screwdriver. Nice rubber grip, ergonomic handle, thumb grip up top. Clockwise, counterclockwise with a lock in the center. So dead man switch so it can't be activated. Work light. Good torque. Battery indicator light up top. Easy to see. Charging port on the base. Yeah, the rubber grip is really feels good. It's hefty, but it's not overweighted. As far as the magnetic end, it's got a really good grip. Nothing falls out of it. And it takes a good chunk to get things out of it. Comes with multiple bits, just about everything you need. Charging cord, 1/4 inch extension, or a 1/4 inch drive extension for auto work, whatever. Spare long Phillips, spare long flathead, variety of stuff here. We've got Torx bits, Phillips bits. I appreciate that they went from Phillips 0 all the way up to Phillips 3. Just about anything I could use around the house. What I really love about it is that it fits my peg winder for changing guitar strings. My DeWalt gun was just a little bit too hefty and a little bit too powerful for that, but this works very well. Wind, unwind. It's fast, gets the job done. I ordered some drill bits to go with this, and I know it's gonna work out just fine. It's got plenty of power, plenty of torque. Feels great in my hand. Really happy with this. It's a nice unit.